In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase the font size in Microsoft Teams, helping you make your texts more readable and your interactions smoother. If you've ever found yourself squinting at your screen or struggling with small text, you're not alone. Adjusting the font size can significantly enhance your experience, making it easier and more comfortable to communicate and collaborate with your team. Let's dive into the process together, starting from the very beginning by opening up Microsoft Teams on your device. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see your profile picture or the initials of your account. Clicking here will open a menu where you should select the Settings option. This will lead you to a new window where you can adjust many aspects of Teams to better suit your needs. In the Settings menu, you'll find a variety of tabs on the left side. You want to click on the General tab, which is typically the first option. This area holds numerous settings to tailor your team's experience. Now, under this tab, look for the section that mentions App Preferences or something similar. Here, you will find several options related to the application's appearance and function. This is where the magic happens. You're searching for an option called Font Size, Text Size, or something equivalent. Once you've located it, you'll have a few different choices available to you, such as small, medium, or large. These options let you decide just how big or small the font within the app appears. Choose the size that feels most comfortable for you. You might want to experiment with each one to see which adjusts best to your viewing preferences and screen size. After you've made your selection, Microsoft Teams should automatically apply the new font size settings. There's usually no need to restart the application, but if the changes don't appear immediately, a quick restart can help everything refresh. Now, with your settings updated, navigating messages, tasks, and other text elements in Teams should be much easier on your eyes. To wrap up, increasing the font size in Microsoft Teams is a simple but effective way to improve readability and comfort as you work through your agenda. It's important to make sure that our workspaces, digital or physical, fit our needs, and adjusting text size is one step in personalizing your team's experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips.